Oh, he killed a big bird or something. Or a mouse. Wow. It's amazing. Holy mackerel. He's even going at it there. What a mess. What is it? There's all kinds of feathers. Killed another big bird, eh? Wow, he's eating the whole bird. Killed something. Holy shoot. He's hungry. Sunday. Grey Cup dinner. Holy mackerel. Look at that, eh? Huh. Ooh, he really got it. Holy mackerel. Incredible. Is that a mouse? Big rat? Looks like a bird. There's all kinds of feathers all over the place. He's hungry. Well, we've had bears, raccoons, birds of all types. We've had them all. And now we've got a bird of prey eating, having a gourmet meal. Unbelievable. Look at that thing go. Huh. Crazy, eh? He's looking. Amazing.